Next, we will demonstrate the zigzag stitch. Bring the needle through at the left corner. Then bring the needle through from the upper right corner down. This is how we completed the first stitch. Then at the upper left position, bring the needle down vertically. This forms a V-shaped structure. Each stitch is brought down vertically. Okay, for the last stitch, we bring the needle down in place. This is how we finish. We will demonstrate this stitch again. Bring the needle through the leftmost position. Bring the needle through the vertical point at the bottom corner. The last stitch. Bring the needle down in place. We have completed this stitch.